Hey guys, do you want to learn 3D art but don't know where to start? If that is the case, then I welcome you to Nexted's Complete Guide to Maya 2024. My name is Abraham Leal. I have 12 years of experience in the industry and I am going to be your instructor throughout this course. We're going to be going over the full production pipeline so that you too can create amazing 3D content. This course is the perfect place for you to start your 3D career. We're going to go over all of the different parts of the production pipeline, and we're going to be doing over 30 easy to follow exercises so that you can fully understand all the tools and workflows that we use in the 3D industry. In this course, we will be going over modeling, UVs, texturing, rigging, animation, effects, rendering, the full production pipeline. We will start by exploring the interface of Maya and understanding the basic principles of components, objects, and the basic modeling tools. Then, we will go deeper into modeling props, characters, and environments. We will then learn how to properly texture, light, animate, rig, and render all of these elements. Each exercise in the course is easy to follow, and it will show you all the necessary tools and steps to achieve a great result. The course is aimed at beginner level students, so you don't need any previous knowledge since we will be covering everything from zero. All of the videos are real time and all of the files are included. The only thing that you will need is access to Maya 2024 and Substance Painter for some texture. So, what are you waiting for? Join me and become a great 3D artist in no time.